Are you ready to share your voice beyond the topic or the group? Well, with Flipgrid Shorts, you, the educator, can create engaging, imaginative, and creative videos using the powerful Flipgrid Camera. Just imagine being able to create warm, welcoming messages for your parent community, as well as engaging all of your students through recording epic read-alouds and creating mini lessons and tutorials by using the features within the Flipgrid Camera. Not to mention being able to create visual prompts and critical thinking challenges and provide personalized video feedback on student work. All of these things and more can be done by teachers using Shorts in Flipgrid. And the best part about Shorts is that they can be shared anytime, anywhere, on any platform, including your Google Classroom and your Microsoft Class team. Now let's take a closer look at Shorts and the Flipgrid Camera. So I've gone ahead and logged in to my educator account on Flipgrid. And here in the top menu bar, I see Groups, Discovery, and Shorts. When I click Shorts, I'm brought to my Shorts library. Here I can see all of the shorts that I have created over time. Notice that I can organize my shorts. I can add titles to my shorts. I can even search for specific shorts that I've created. Let's get started creating a short. To create a short, I'm simply going to click the blue plus short button. This will launch the dynamic Flipgrid Camera. All right, when you record a Flipgrid short, notice that you have a full 10 minutes to create your short video. Notice that you also have all of the features and functions of the Flipgrid Camera. Let's take a look at those features now. All right, let's start with the options menu. Here inside the options menu, notice that I have the ability to upload a clip. This allows me to select a video clip that I've recorded on a different device or maybe using different video recording software. I can switch into mic only mode. This allows me to capture just my audio, no video. One of my favorite tools is the mirror video. With mirror video, this can help you, I know it helps me, with figuring out which direction I'm pointing when I'm showcasing different items, maybe text or images in my video. It also allows you to be incredibly creative. I've seen teachers use the mirror video to interview themselves as a character simply by turning, talking, and then switching the mirror video and again turning and talking. All right, notice that I can also mute my recording. This allows me to just capture video, no audio. And I have the ability to record my screen. When I record my screen, I can record my entire desktop, a window, or just a browser tab. But we're going to talk more about screen recording and shorts in an upcoming video. Finally, we also have device settings available in options. This is where we can set our default microphone and webcam. All right, let's take a look at the heart of the Flipgrid Camera, the features that allow us to make these creative, dynamic, and engaging videos for our students. Let's start with backdrops. So if I click on backdrops, notice that I have a wide variety of backdrops to choose from. I also have the ability to add my own backdrop by using a photo or maybe a video clip that I've previously recorded. I also have the ability to use my screen of my device as my backdrop. And of course, I have the ability to simply blur my background. Now, when I select a backdrop, such as the planetarium, let's just close this. Notice that down here at the bottom menu, I can move myself. So by default, I'm centered in the video, but I can move myself to the bottom left, or I can move myself to the bottom right of my screen. And once I've moved myself, I can reduce my size or make myself larger And I can also move myself really anywhere here in the recording. Let's leave myself here at the bottom right. All right, let's go into effects. Now, if you are familiar with the Flipgrid camera, you will know that there are a wide variety of effects that we can choose from, including a wide variety of filters. We can filter our video to set the tone or the mood. If I go back to the effects menu, I can also add text. And when I select text, notice that I can choose from a wide variety of fonts and styles, and I can customize the font and styles. Let's go ahead and add some text to this video. And of course, once I've added my text, I can select it, I can move it around on the video, I can even resize it. All right, let's go back to the effects menu. In addition to text, I also have access to the pen feature, which gives me access to digital ink that I can use to mark up or annotate my video in a wide variety of ways. If I am presenting a math lesson, I could always use digital ink to write out and solve a mathematical equation. Let's say for science, I have posted a diagram. I could always use the digital ink to annotate and label that diagram. And let's say that in language arts or social studies, I'm working with an anchor chart. Of course, I could post that anchor chart in the video and then use digital ink to mark it up. All right, let's back out and go to boards. Now, in addition to having backdrops, we also have a wide variety of boards to choose from. Let's go ahead and select this board over here. And notice that I can split my screen with the board, making it as large or as small as I want. And boards are a great clean canvas for adding that text as well as images, stickers, and digital ink. All right, back into the effects menu. Speaking of stickers, we now have the ability to not only add stickers, but animated GIFs, and we have the ability to add our own photos as stickers. Let's take a quick look at the sticker menu. You will see that you have the ability to add emojis, expressions, people, accessories. For music teachers out there, you do have access to a wide variety of music stickers. If I go into reactions, this is where I will see mathematical symbols that I can use. And as Flipgrid always supports accessibility, you will see that you have access to American Sign Language stickers as well to make your video more accessible. All right, backing out of stickers. Again, I mentioned that we have animated GIFs. And these GIFs will remain animated in your video. All right, back into the effects menu. We can also, as I mentioned before, add our own photos as stickers. So when I select photo, I can select a photo from my device. And I'm just going to grab this adjectives anchor chart that I have here. And I can resize this photo and move it to where I want on my video. All right, finally in the effects menu, I also have the ability to add frames, and I can choose from a wide variety of festive and decorative frames that will highlight my work. Those are the features of the Flipgrid camera. And of course, when you are ready to record your short, you're simply going to click the record button. It will count you down. You can record in segments, so you can record for a little bit. You can hit pause, hit next, preview your recording. You can add more. Maybe that additional content that you add is a screen recording. And then you can also add music to your clips. And you can preview the music and then choose to add music to your clip. Once you're ready to submit your short, you're simply going to click next. You're going to confirm your cover photo. If you're not happy with the frame that it's selected, you can select a frame, take a selfie, or upload a photo. You can add a description, and then finally hit confirm. And your video will be uploaded to your Shorts library for you to share. All right, when your video is ready to share, notice that you can share in a wide variety of ways. You can copy the link to share the link through email or post the link on your site. You can download the video to then share it out. You can share a QR code, maybe put that QR code into a presentation, print it off, post it in your classroom on your classroom door. You can share it directly to Google Classroom, share it directly to Microsoft Teams, or even embed your video on your Google site. You can also share to social media, including Twitter and Remind. In our next video, we will take a closer look at using the screen recording feature in the Flipgrid camera to turn a short into an epic mini lesson.